German newspaper giant denies reports of replacing editors with AI. Artificial intelligence will soon make its appearance in one of Europe's best-selling tabloid newspapers, but only to support journalistic work, not replace it. News. Join us on social networks. Disclaimer: this article has been updated to reflect a comment from a Bild Group spokesperson regarding the reason for the job cuts and where it sees AI's role in the company. German tabloid company Bild has denied reports it is laying off parts of its editorial team and replacing staffers with artificial intelligence and automated processes. The Guardian and other media outlets reported on June 21 that Bild's parent publishing firm, Axel Springer SE, was planning to replace a range of editorial jobs with AI, citing an internal email. However, Bild Group's director of communications, Christian Senft, told Cointelegraph that the reports are false and that with our current measures, we have no intention of replacing journalism with AI. Instead, Senft said the announcement was regarding a restructuring program for regional newspaper editions, which involves reducing from 18 regional editions to 12 by the end of the year, and the closing of 10 out of 15 regional offices, with many functions moving centrally to Berlin. Therefore, these tasks such as secretariats and photo production are no longer necessary in the regions, he said, reiterating that the associated job reductions have nothing to do with AI. Senft confirmed that the moves will affect employees in the low three-digit number. He also clarified that the announcement states that the company will increasingly use follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.